I don't know if anyone's noticed, but I have an aftermarket horn. And I just wanted to mention it. The stock horn still works. It's still wired up. I just added an additional horn, and it's not really what I was aiming for in terms of sound, but it is loud. I found the stock horn wasn't very loud, so when someone cuts you off and you lay on the horn, they know it. What I did with the stock horn down here is I just put in splice connectors in there. Not the best electrical job, but it works. It's been this way for, I don't know, 3-4 years, and both horns still work. So there's the compressor there. It gets power from the regular horn. I think I did up the fuse a little bit, because now we're feeding the regular horn plus the aftermarket compressor. So I was blowing fuses. I increased the fuse size, and we made a little bracket and mounted it behind the coolant tank there. So the bracket goes behind the coolant tank and holds the horn in place. Then ran the air line down the side up to here, and I'll just try it out so you can hear it. I'd rather have a deeper horn, like a truck horn or a train horn, but whatever, it works. And I don't use my horn very often, but when I do, it's fairly loud.